Hello, I'm glad that you're with us today. I'm Dave Thompson with the Academy of Cleaning Excellence. We're here at Gym Supply to show you how to use a divided bucket system. Now this incorporates a little different bucket and a roller wringer, and we're going to use a flat mop. I'll show you how in just a moment. What we're going to do here is we're going to fill our solution side about 2/3 with the chemical that we are choosing to mop our floor with. So now that we have our cleaning solution in the bucket at 2/3 full, now we're going to put just about 1 inch of clear water, rinse water, on the recovery side. One of the things to learn with this system is that you have an adjustable handle. The first thing you'll do is adjust the handle to about chin height of the operator. Collapse the head. Using your left hand, grab at the knuckle, handle on your elbow, and you take and put it into the rinse water. Now, whether the mop just came off of the closet or not, it potentially could have something soiled. So you're going to rinse the mop off, put it into your wringer, simple with one hand push it down, lift it up, put it into your cleaning solution. You're going to then put it back in the wringer and do the process one more time. Now you're ready to mop the floor. Simply take and twist the mop, let it drop, lock it in place, and now we can start mopping. With this mop system, you're going to mop in a figure 8 motion, as you can tell that I'm doing here. Whenever you come to a spot on the floor, you can simply use your foot and rub it. So now that we've mopped our floor, we're going to collapse the handle. We're going to bring it from the floor that we just mopped into our rinse water. We're going to rinse that dirt off of the mop. We're going to then stick it in our cleaning solution and do the process one more time. In your workplace, you're probably not going to have the same type of floor to mop everywhere. So as you can tell here at the Academy, we have a number of different types of floor. And what we want to show you in this little segment is that this mopping solution can mop different types of floor. Regardless of the type of floor that we're mopping, our process is still the same. Collapse the head, bring it to our rinse water, get our solution, and go back to our floor. Now what I wanted to show you was the reason that you're using this divided bucket system, the divider here, is because you can see that our clean water is still clear. I can see clear to the bottom. However, this is my recovery side. So let me take this out of your way just a little bit, and you can definitely see the difference between the rinse side where my dirty water has been and my cleaning solution. I've got a lot more cleaning that I can do, and as I do my cleaning, I'm transferring my cleaning solution over here. I continue to rinse out my mop, I get a clean floor. This is why you want to use a divided bucket system from Gym Supply, education from the Academy of Cleaning Excellence.